Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks for joining in. For y'all that are new, we show one camp spot at a time. We do a lot of camping in Arkansas. This is one place in Arkansas. It's Crystal Springs Campground. It is a COE. Kind of reminds you of a state park. Let me pan around here. You see all the campsites around here. They're pretty close together. All the roads, looks like it's a chip and seal road, blacktop road. And all of the sites are gravel back ends. Pretty shaded through here. Then you've got the lake straight ahead of the site. But this site, oh, big pretty rock there, it's got granite going through it, crystal quartz. This site is outlined by 6x6s all the way around it. You can see this site right here goes from this corner all the way over. On the back side, it is wider than it is the front. Our Q-Life bikes that we like to ride. I'll have an upcoming review, extension review on that. This spot has a fire ring, barbecue grill, 8-foot picnic table. And again, you can see the 6x6s where they wrap all the way around the camp spot here. They got a 6x6, you can back your camper up. This spot right here is pretty long. And it is, because it is gravel, it's not real level. If you look down towards the front, you can see it drops down in the front, and it is low to the passenger side. We do have water and electric. That's the water spigot. And this is electric. We have 50, 30, and 20 amp. Nice little campground. This is a new spot for us. We try to find a lot of new spots just to show y'all. Again, I'll go to the front of the spot right here. And you can see back there in the back, these spots can hold fifth wheels, Class A's, Class E's, just about anything you have. This is a COE. You can see the front of the camper is quite a bit higher than the back. That's because it goes downhill that direction some. We got here in the middle of the night. About 8 o'clock at night, it was dark, and it was easy enough to back into. And this side here is 2 inches lower than the driver's side. That is the bathhouse and shower. We'll walk over and I'll show you around it. The first door you come to the left is the shower. You have the sink, trash can, paper towels. one stall, two stall, three stall. These stalls also has a place to sit. They're a little bit outdated, but they smell clean. They look clean. They just make you feel so much better to come in here and take a shower. Next spot is going to be at the shower, or at the restroom side of it. There's a look at the rest of the loop. You got the lake right there. And there are quite a few campers in this campground, but it is quiet. People seem friendly here. Now we're back around the front of the showers and restrooms. This is one thing I'd like to show you before we head back to the camp spot. Is they've got these here. I wash the pots and pans in it if I need to. I've never seen these at a COE before. Not sure if that's what they use to mop the floors with or whatever, but I use it to wash dishes in. And right across the road is the campsite that we're in. I like these enormous boulders that they've got outlining everything right here. And as you can see right here, this has got quartz inside the rock where it's grown. They mined this area and made a campsite out of it. They stack these in and around the sides. We're back at the campsite. If you find this information helpful and you like this video, help us get our videos out by hitting the like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. If you like to camp and you're looking forward to coming to Arkansas, this is definitely a quiet place to go. They got plenty of places to ride, and it is definitely a quiet, pretty campground. It's kind of laid out a little bit weird. They don't have a lot of signs pointing to the campground. They got smaller signs, so coming in at night may be a little bit harder. We'll catch you in the next video.